Where you going, my brown-eyed son? You used to crawl, but now you run. You started off on a road half dark, and the river curled into a question mark. We sleep on time in beaches, dear, and drink from prism streams so clear. Don't have to be rich to get around. There are mansions growing out of the ground. Days go by, get out and see the world. Days go by, get out and see the world with your own eyes. And the journey took you far from home, and it pushed you out of your comfort zone. There's kids out there with war paint on, and hearts break like crayons. Before you left, the world was small. Now the hills are bleeding like waterfalls. There's a lot of bad things that are buried shallow, and cries for help with no echoes. Days go by, get out and see the world. Days go by, get out and see the world with your own eyes. It's hard to see what you're going through, and just knowing can beat up on you. You spend some time in the waiting place, and the purest things may leave no trace. Go up the mountain top and shine. I reflected on my long decline. I've gathered sunsets in my prime. Now I'm planting trees I'll never climb. Days go by, get out and see the world. Days go by, get out and see the world with your own eyes. Your own eyes. Your own eyes. Your own eyes. All right, thanks.